Hi there, biology students. This week we're going to start a new unit on population ecology of orcas in Puget Sound, and this is going to be our first real unit that we've engaged in since being out of school. The reason I'm calling this a real unit instead of a supplementary unit is because this is content that we would have been covering had we been back in school or had we returned back to school. And it's going to be a little bit different format. It'll look more like the lessons that we used to have in school, where you have initial ideas and then lessons around different ecology and biology concepts. And the worksheets and the assignments will be a little bit longer in length. They'll still be graded for completion, and I'll give you more specific feedback if you are confused on concepts or if you're not getting answers right. I might have more individual check-ins. I'll show you how things look on Schoology and how to turn things in. Alright, of course this is what your Schoology page looks like, and you'll click on lesson number 1. There will always be a README file at the top that will outline what I'm telling you in the video of lessons to do. The first thing you can do is either click on the lesson video or click on the slides. There's two different ways that you can move through this lesson. You can either do it at your own pace, so clicking on the slides and then maximizing the slides and reading them yourself. There's a little how-to on the PowerPoint, and then there's just the slides as if I would have presented them in class. The alternate is watching a video lecture by another teacher. Let me show you what that looks like. Here you see I clicked on the link that was for the YouTube video, and this brings up a PowerPoint lecture that was recorded by another teacher. This is another teacher that teaches biology, and there's different teachers that recorded video lectures, and they walk you through the PowerPoint and lecture to you as if you would have been in a classroom. So you can see here that Miss Wilson is going through the PowerPoint, and you can see later on she is going to kind of walk you through the data sets and the information that is that's covered in this video. Once you've finished watching the PowerPoint lecture lesson or doing the slides yourself, you're going to go to this initial ideas discussion board, and this is the first assignment for lesson 1. So you'll add to the discussion on here about what are your initial ideas about what's happening to the Puget Sound and Orca. You can list as many things as you'd like there, or you can like other people's comments if you have a common agreement with them. Finally, what you'll do, and this is probably something you would have done during the lesson or during the slides, is you'll want to go to the worksheets and either download and print a PDF or download your own worksheet. You can fill it out online, or you can even answer the questions for these worksheets in a notebook. And you can see here they are just things that would have been covered in the lecture. So it's things that you notice in different data sheets or different slides in the PowerPoint or in the slide lecture, and it's information that you're keeping track of. Once you finish that, you'll save your worksheet, and then you'll go back to the main lesson and you will upload it to this Turnitin box. So this is what all of any of assignments will be turned in. Yours looks a little bit different than my side because what you're seeing is the teacher side right now, but you'll be able to submit your work. It can either be a picture of your worksheet or it can be the file itself. So I hope that was helpful in orienting you to the first set of lessons about Orca. As always, you can catch me at office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Look for the links for those on your Schoology page. You can reach out to me via email, or you can post a question on the discussion board. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.